How to activate Pluxee card. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of activating your Pluxee card in 2025 so you can start using it right away. Step 1. Visit the activation portal. Open your browser and go to the official Pluxee card activation page. activation.consumers.pluxee.in. Step 2. Enter your details. Email address or mobile number. Input the contact information you registered with. 12-digit card reference number, found in your welcome email or letter. Click on Get Activation Code. Step 3. Complete KYC verification. PAN number. Enter your PAN, permanent account number, for verification. If your PAN is not available in government databases, you will be redirected to complete the process using your Aadhaar number. Step 4. Enter the activation code. Check your email or SMS for the activation code sent by Pluxee. Input this code into the portal. Step 5. Mobile number verification. You will receive an OTP, one-time password, on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to verify your number. Step 6. Activate your card. Once all steps are completed, click on Activate Card. Your Pluxee card is now activated and ready for use. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful guides.